how to turn on the ticking sounds as well as the hourly chime sounds. Now, before I continue and show you where to go to turn this on, please keep in mind it really depends on the clock face type you have chosen. This usually works best with the analog type of clock faces. To turn on this feature or setting, use the quick access pull down from the very top of your Watch 7 and tap on the settings icon right there. Now, once you do that and you get into the settings itself, you will look for the part that says sounds and vibration right here. And when you're here now, you want to go all the way to the very bottom section. Just keep going down until you see system sounds. Once here now, you will see the two options. Ticking, you'll hear a ticking sound, and that's again for those that has the analog clock face here, and also every time the hour passes you hear a gentle chime sound. Now it's not going to be so loud to the point where it's annoying. You'll hear it, but it's going to be a very quiet sound. And if you want to turn it off, if you don't like it, just come back here and simply disable them. All right, and that's that for this guide here. Like and sub.